So as previous video we have discussed about displacement time graph. So today in this video we are going to discuss about, we can say, velocity time graph. Okay, we are going to discuss about velocity time graph. So now the velocity time graph, as we know the formula of velocity, v is equal to dx by dt. Okay, dx by dt. So the graphical formula of this will be a omega cos omega t. A omega cos omega t. If we are going to put the value of omega, so it will be a omega cos 2 pi t into t. So now this is the formula through which we can easily make the graph of velocity time graph. Okay, so now let's make the graph here. Before making graph, we should make the time, we can say, displacement time mean position, extreme position, extreme position. Fine. So here we can say at the mean position the time is equal to 0. Okay, and velocity here it's maximum. Velocity here is 0. Velocity here is 0. So at the mean point the velocity is maximum. So now let's start making graph. If I can make a graph. Okay, so yep, here let me write here t by 4, here simple 0, then t by 2, then 3t by 4, and then simple t. Fine. So this is the graph of velocity time graph. Fine. So now here we are going to start our expression. So as we are going to put the a omega cos omega t, a omega cos 2 pi by t into, हम into क्या करेंगे, here you can see time is 0, so we will put the 0, and you can see t cancel, the 0 full 0, it will be cos 0 will be equal to 1, so this means here it will be positive a. So our graph will be like this here. ठीक है, positive t. Then it is basically, just mark here. ठीक है, so this is when time is 0, not t by 4. This is when time is 0. Here you can see it is t by 0. ठीक है, now we are putting t by 2, which is at the extreme position, t by 4, sorry. So here we are going to put t by 4. t cancel, 2 1 2 2 to the 4. Here it will be a omega cos pi 2 pi by t. Oh sorry, pi by 2, not pi by 2. So we know that pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is equal to 90, and cos 90 is equal to 0. So here it will be 0. So here we'll mark here 0. Okay, so now here let's put t by 2, and here you can see after it will move to extreme position. Extreme position के बाद ये दोबारा कहाँ जाएगा, mean position पर. It will be t by 2. So now let's move towards equation. A omega cos 2t by t into t by 2, t cancel, 2 cancel, a omega cos omega, and cos omega we know that 180, and it will be minus, it will be cos 180 is equal to 1, oh sorry, minus 1. ठीक है. So here t by 2 will be minus ka 1. This means it will be like here. Fine, minus ka 1. Okay. After that, here we have at 3t by 4, which is it will not stop at mean position, it will continue. So here we have 3t by 4. Now let's put 3t by 4. ठीक है. A omega cos, it will be 3 omega by 2. Now 3 omega by 2 is 270. Now cos 270 will be equal to 0. Okay, so here it will be 0. After that, last we have t, it will stop at the mean position t. So now let's find about t. A omega cos 2 pi by t into t cancel. Cos 2 pi will be equal to 360. Cos 360 is equal to 0 and cos 0 is equal to 1. So it will be positive. Be here positive. Fine. So if I can join the graph, it will be like this. Oh sorry, this isn't the point here. ये t by 2 का नहीं होगा, it is of t. The graph would be like this. Okay, so this is the velocity graph, and the velocity here we have cos theta. So remember, from in the cos theta it starts from the positive extreme point, positive a extreme point, right? So here we have the velocity time graph. I hope these both are clear. In the next video we're gonna discuss about acceleration time graph. Till that, bye bye.